Hello friends, myself Santosh and I am back with a new video. In today's video, I will be talking about something that will be relevant to you and your future career. So what is that? In today's world, you simply have heard about it that wherever you apply for a job, you will need to produce a certificate that you are proficient at English. You simply apply for a teaching job in a school, or you want to apply for a job in an MNC. There you will be asked to show a certificate that you are proficient at English. So simply this time this job has been made easy by me. I simply will be telling you that how you will be earning a certificate free of cost, and that certifier, that who will be certifying you, will be a reputed organization. So simply, when you add a certificate of your English proficiency in your resume, that would be a plus point for you, and you might get a job in a well reputed company, or let's say a school. So simply, who is the certifier uh, which I am talking about here? So simply it is British Council. British Council with Indian government. Simply you have, I think so that you know about the Skill India program by Indian government. So by their patch up, they have started a free certificate program where you will be earning a free certificate from British Council. You know British Council is a well reputed organization. So simply you will have to take a test. That test might, I think so that it would be about 30 minutes. You will have to take a test at your home, simply at your home. And when you will be applying for the test, simply you will have to sit at your desk, and then after the test finishes, you simply will be asked to collect your certificate. So isn't that easy for you to get a job now? So what is the procedure? How you will be earning a certificate free of cost? Well, whenever you will be downloading the British Council app from the Play Store, and after that you will have to perform few steps. So I hope so that I am going to take you to my screen. There I will be showing you the procedure, the steps, how you will be giving the test. Okay, so let's see. So friends, if you have downloaded the app, so I'm going to tell you the procedure ahead. Okay, now the app has opened. So simply you need to scroll down, and after that here you will be having the option take the test again. You simply need to press it, and when you will be pressing it, they will be giving you an instruction that the test will have three parts, and it will be about 30 to 40 minutes long. So it would be, it will be testing your vocabulary, your reading skill, your listening skill. So please be ready for that. And whenever you do this, you will have to, they will again give you some instruction about it, that each test is unique. You cannot pause the test. Once you are going to pause the test, simply you will be logged out from the test, and you must be alone. There should be no noise, otherwise again you will be logged out. You must allow the camera. You will have to give the permission to use the camera to the app, cause while you will be attempting this test, they will be clicking pics randomly, so that you must not use any kind of trick with the app. So simply whenever you do this, you will have to allow the camera, and you will have to give them the permission. And once you have done it, you can see that you will have to put your face here like this. And since you have done it, you will have to press OK, let's go, and then you can start the test. And since I have already given you the test, you can see that part 1, this is grammar and vocabulary. They will be the test will start in 24 seconds. Anyways, you can start it, and whenever you like this, you can see that there are questions like this. I like the red scarf, but I think this one here is nicer. And you can scroll by attempting all these questions. You cannot pause the test as already been specified. So when you will be completing the test successfully, you can go to this section, and you will be asked to download your certificate. But before you download, before you download, they will be asking you to pay some money to collect the certificate. There you need not to pay anything. The basic certificate is about 700 rupees, and then the certificate where you will be having your pick, that is about, I think, 1500. But you need not to pay anything, that will be free of cost. You simply will have to WhatsApp me on a number 8383018454. When you will be messaging me here, I will give you the coupon code, because the coupon code changes every time, and whenever you will be applying this coupon code, you will be able to collect this certificate free of cost. So simply please attempt this test and get a certificate that will be helpful for your future as well. You can add this certificate in your resume, so it would be a plus point. So simply, if you are getting it free of cost, why should you miss this opportunity? A certificate worth rupees 1500 for free by simply applying a coupon code. And once again, I am telling you the number where you will have to WhatsApp me. I will be giving you the coupon code there, 8383018454. Okay, so that's all. Okay, so I have shown you that how you can take the test from your own home, and you simply don't need to go anywhere during this pandemic, and you simply can earn a certificate. The simply this certificate is valid for 1 year, and simply in between the 1 year you can get a job anywhere if you want to apply for. So simply this was all about from my side. I hope so that you have liked the video, and simply if you have liked the video, you want to know more about such kind of certificates in future, you need to subscribe my channel. I simply will be giving you relevant information like this. So simply please, I request you to share this video among the large masses. If you have gained something, they must gain something from this video too. So please subscribe this channel. We'll meet you in the next video. Like the video if you have liked my hard work, and please share among your friends. We'll meet you in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.